Hi, my name is Setsoto Hlohlomi. I'm a senior IT administrator and the co-founder and president at Basadi Tech. Basadi Tech is a nonprofit that aims to impart the youth and the nation at large with digital skills. These could range from computer literacy to programming, robotics, as well as the Microsoft and Google suites to prepare you for the workplace. This is done by training sessions and hosting conferences. We also aim to drive diversity and inclusion by encouraging young girls and women to take part in science and technology related activities through our training sessions and the mentoring program. The aim of this video is to emphasize the importance of ICT and digital skills. Defining these loosely, ICT is a focus on using technologies to communicate, collaborate, share content, and manage data. While digital skills are the ability or are the skill sets to use digital devices to achieve the mentioned tasks. That's collaboration, communication, sharing content, and data management. I'll address the importance of ICTs and digital skills from various standpoints. First, I'll address it from the perspective of an individual. Having these digital skills has proven very useful, particularly during this time where now we're working from home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Having digital skills means you will effectively use available tools to communicate with your peers, your colleagues, to manage your tasks and to communicate and collaborate effectively while #working from home. There are basic digital skills and there are advanced digital skills. Where now with advanced digital skills, we're seeing people who actually manage the technologies, manage the infrastructure, just to make sure that the working is expected so that the collaboration and the communication occurs as expected. Several people have lost their jobs because of companies having to close, but I think particularly a very high percentage of people employed in development, in UI UX, in data science have seen or have had their jobs still intact, because with these roles you get to use technology to fulfill your tasks 100%. This means job stability, and it also helps with the future of work, because now we're seeing technology being increasingly used every day. And in this era where we now use technology consistently, digital skills will prove very useful. I think secondly, I'll look at it from the perspective of the business. Businesses that didn't have appropriate digital infrastructure and digital strategies before we had to work from home have seen adverse consequences like loss of income, having to close down and not operate completely, whereas those that had the appropriate infrastructure in place have employees that are working from home to deliver part, if not all, of their daily tasks. There's still income, there's less retrenchment, and I think this emphasizes how important ICT and the acquisition of digital skills is, not only to us as individuals but to companies that need digitally skilled people, either at a beginner or at a very advanced level, to ensure that business continues as usual. So April 23rd is Girls in ICT Day. While there are a lot of efforts to encourage young girls to participate in these kinds of activities, the gender gap is still very wide between the number of males and females that are participating in such. And although my video tries to emphasize the importance not only to girls but to everyone, the digital skills that we need to achieve our tasks even outside of this pandemic, will go to show that we need to put more efforts in encouraging the uptake of ICT and digital skills to everyone. I'd like to wish you all a happy Girls in ICT Day, and I hope you work safely and effectively from home. Thank you for watching.